Children, today we are going to learn about thermodynamic principle of metallurgy. Already we have learned concentration of the ore, then conversion of the concentrated ore into metal oxide. Now we have to convert the metal oxide to metal. So a better reducing agent. The important person played here is reducing agent. Selection of better reducing agent is a must. So, which factor help us to select the better reducing agent? So, it is considered as the thermodynamic principle of metallurgy. So, now consider a reaction. A metal oxide, MO. M is a metal, O is a oxide, reduced to metal and oxygen is a gas. It should be expelled out. Here M is a metal, O is the oxide. So, for example, there are many metal oxides. For example, Fe3O4, Mn2O4, Fe2O3, TiO2, B2O3, Cr2O3. Ag2O, Zn2O. So, the metal oxides, they are not having similar formulas, but they are having different formulas. So, general formula we cannot write as MO. It is not a suitable one. It's not a suitable denomination for a metal oxide. So, we can write this as MXOY, giving a metal which is in solid state and oxygen gas is expelled out. So, now it should be balanced. This is the general reaction. This should be balanced. So, this side M is x times in right side, left side M is 1. And similarly, O, this side is Y times, this side O is 2. To be balanced, first consider the oxygen. So, this side it is 2. So, that side also it should be 2. Then since Y is there, Y is there, it should be divided by Y. It should be divided by top number is to be multiplied, bottom number should be divided. So 2Y, since 2 oxygen atom is here also 2 it should be considered, then Y it is there, divided by Y. So top number should be multiplied, bottom number should be divided. So 2 into Y, 2Y by Y. So multiply cancelling Y by, it is 2. Remaining 2 only, so it is balanced. M is 2, here also 2. Sorry, oxygen is 2, here also it is 2. Now if we are considering metal, a metal is 1, this side is X. So what we should do? So already we are having 2 by Y, now multiplying. So we are getting here 2x by y. So this side we should write 2x by y. So the balanced equation is 2 by y mx oy, giving 2x by y metal solid plus oxygen is the gas. For this reduction process, we can take coke as a reducing agent. For this reaction, we can take coke as a reducing agent. So, if you are taking coke as a reducing agent, coke is a solid, combining, it is oxidized, forming carbon monoxide, it is a gas. Then this carbon monoxide oxidized, forming carbon dioxide gas. Now this is one set of reaction, that is coke converted to carbon monoxide, then converted to carbon dioxide. The same two-step reaction can be takes place in one step also, that is carbon oxidized forming carbon dioxide gas. So consider this is the first reaction, this is second reaction, this is the third reaction, this is the fourth reaction. Now any one of this to be used as a better reducing agent for this reaction. So to be selected, that reduction reaction should be as first condition. To be selected, the reduction reaction should be a spontaneous one. Spontaneous means by itself. First it should be a spontaneous one. Then which factor should be considered if a reaction is a spontaneous? It should be remembered that we should consider delta G should be a negative. This is the second process. This is the important condition. Delta G value should have a negative. And also among the three reactions, which reducing agent going to be used? They also should have delta G negative. Not only for this reaction delta G negative, among the three reactions, which reaction going to be used for this one should also have a negative, delta G should be a negative. That is the better reducing agent. So we have to couple first equation with the second equation, coupling first equation with the third equation, first equation with the fourth equation. First equation is coupled with all the three reactions. Suppose among the three reaction also having negative means the large negative value should be selected. Negative value should be there. Suppose if these three coupling reactions also having negative, the large negative value should be selected. For example, I am going to give an example for this. Consider Fe iron is oxidized, is a solid, it is a gas, it is oxidized forming iron oxide, it is a gas, balancing 2Fe here too. It is having delta G value is equal to minus 480 kilojoule per mole. Then for this one, coke, if it is used as a reducing agent, coke solid oxidized forming carbon monoxide balancing, it's a gas, delta G value minus, consider as plus 350 kilojoule per mole. Here you see metal converted to metal oxide, but here we are converting the metal oxide to be a metal. So this reaction should be reversed. So 2FeO gas giving 2Fe plus O2 solid gas. So if it is reversed, the delta G value, if it is reversed, sorry, here it is minus value only. Here Fe plus O2 giving 2FeO. This value is minus 350 kilojoule per mole. Coke with O2 forming carbon monoxide. Here delta G value is minus 480 kilojoule per mole. Now here, since the reaction is reversed, 2FeO giving 2Fe plus O2. Delta G value is also reversed, minus 350 becomes plus 350 kilojoule per mole. Now, adding the both, This O2 get cancelled. So 2 FeO gas plus 2 carbon in solid giving 2 Fe plus 2 CO. Fe is in solid, this in gas. Delta G value minus 480 plus 350. Adding the both, we are getting 130 kilojoule per mole. Since the bigger number 480 having negative, it is minus sign, minus 130 kilojoule per mole. Since 2FeO, 2C, 2Fe, 2 all having 2, so delta G should be divided by 2. Is equal to minus 65 kilojoule per mole. So we are getting a negative value. Already I told, if to select a better reducing agent, delta G value for the selection of the reducing agent and the overall reaction should have a negative value. So we got a negative value. So coke can be used as a reducing agent for reduction of iron oxide. So for reducing iron oxide, coke is the better reducing agent since we got delta G value as a negative. Very important one. This is the thermodynamic principle of metallurgy. Children, I hope everybody understood well. This elaborately not given in a book, but I explained elaborately. First process, the reaction should be a spontaneous. Next process, delta G should have a negative value. If both these conditions are satisfied, then that is the better reducing agent by the thermodynamic principle of metallurgy.